Sa isang maliit na barangay sa Rizal, may isang binatang nagngangalang Rico. Anak siya ng tricycle driver at isang tindera sa palengke. Hindi marangya ang buhay nila, pero malaki ang pangarap niya maging engineer. Pangarap lang yan, sabi ng ilan. Wala kayong pera, paano ka pa makakapasok sa college? Pero Rico just smiled and said, basta may pangarap, may paraan. He studied every night under a lampara habang ang iba'y natutulog na. Wala silang internet, kaya sa library ng barangay siya madalas nagbabasa. One day, his teacher told him about a scholarship exam. Try mo, Rico, libre ang tuition kapag pumasa ka. He took the test with trembling hands, knowing if he was good enough. A week later, he received a letter. Congratulations, you passed the scholarship exam. Naiyak ang nanay, anak, this is your chance. College was not easy. Maraming busy siyang gustong sumuko. May mga araw na wala siyang pamasahe, kaya nilalakad niya ang 5 kilometro papuntang campus. Minsan, tinapay lang ang lunch niya. Pero he never stopped. Kung titigil ako ngayon, sayang lahat ng sakripisyo. He whispered to himself habang naglalakad sa ulan. Ang pinakahihintay ni Rico, he walked on stage with his tuga and with honors. Now, Rico works in a top construction firm in BGC. Every month, nagpapadala siya sa magulang niya at tumutulong sa kapwa niyang estudyanteng nangangarap din. He always tells them, success doesn't require a rich background. It only needs determined heart and one small step at a time. Remember that.